Well, our top focus continues to remain on the fight that we are facing in the second wave of the pandemic. India today has recorded the highest ever single-day rise of about 4,12,000 cases that have now been reported in the past 24 hours. Now, 3,980 deaths have also been reported from across the country in the past 24 hours. Let's go across to Sumi, who's on the phone line with me. Good morning, Sumi. Today marks the highest number of single-day cases that we've recorded since the beginning of the pandemic. The Union Health Ministry has released the numbers saying that we've had about 4,12,000 cases in the past 24 hours. Give us more details.
Absolutely, Nupur. This is very, very worrisome because the data from the Union Health Ministry has come and it is rather exposing very shocking pictures. India has reported the single highest daily spike in cases with over 4.12 lakh cases since the pandemic hit last year. And it has been reported in the last 24 hours only. And India has also reported 3,29,000 discharges and 3,980 deaths in the last 24 hours. It is very at a time when India is already, dealing with a devastating acute shortage of oxygen and hospital beds across the country. And these stats definitely is very worrisome and, exposing pictures of certain states which are, still certain people of certain states which are still not practicing the social distancing norms. People should, understand that there's only till a certain extent the respective state governments and the central government can do, but most of the responsibility lies on the shoulders of the common citizen, because it is their utmost responsibility at the moment to comply with the social distancing norms and, to mask up. In fact, that double masking up has become the new norm, where the people will have to wear the double mask to reduce the 95% penetration of the coronavirus. Right. These new norms have to be complied by, but we are still witnessing certain reports from the states where the people, despite lockdown, are still getting out of their houses, not maintaining the containment rules also. This is extremely worrisome, and which is why this entire situation is contributing to numbers like these. But the government has been, trying to deal with the situation in its utmost efficiency, and in fact, it is coming up with various makeshift hospitals at the same time also. In Uttar Pradesh, if we talk about that, right. Apart from the DRDO makeshift hospital comprising 500 beds, there's another 50-bed hospital that is being prepared at the stadium in Sector 21, Noida. And it is certainly good news for the people of Uttar Pradesh because and for the hospital administration, because it will certainly take some burden off them. So this is also worrisome, but yes, people will have to comply with the social distancing norms, and that is definitely cannot be compromised with.